This guide demonstrates how to install the adivaha free meta search plugin on your WordPress site. Learn how to set up the adivaha WordPress plugin to streamline your travel-led management. Click the Add Plugin button to start adding a new plugin to your WordPress site. Click the Search Plugins tab to find the adivaha plugin you want to install. Type adivaha into the search field to locate the adivaha plugin. Click the Install Now button to install the adivaha plugin on your site. Click the Activate button to enable the adivaha plugin after installation. Click on the adivaha plugin option in the WordPress dashboard to access its settings. Click the indicated area to proceed to the next step in the plugin setup. Switch to your dashboard to continue configuration. Click the specified area on the dashboard to find your partner ID. Your partner ID should start with 77A in this account. I will copy the PID, 77A93176. Enter your PID into the input field. Click the Connect button to link your WordPress site with your adivaha account. Click OK to confirm the connection and proceed. Click the Plugin menu in WordPress to manage your site plugin. Click View Details to see more information about the selected plugin. Copy the shortcode from View Details. Click the Pages menu in WordPress to manage your site pages. Click the Add Page button to create a new page on your site. Click the Edit button to modify the home page using the copied shortcode. Paste the copied shortcode into this section to properly display and generate your result page. Click the Save button to save all changes made to the page. Click View Page to preview your updated page with the plugin active. Click the Search button to test the search functionality on your site. Wait patiently as the system processes your request. This may take up to 1 minute while it searches for the best deals tailored for you. After the search is complete, review the displayed results to help your customers choose the most suitable options. Once your customers click on Book Now, they will be redirected to a third-party page. If they make a reservation, you will receive a certain commission. You will be able to view your commissions in the Revenue menu. We have now successfully integrated the adivaha WordPress plugin onto a WordPress website. Do like and subscribe us for more such videos. Thanks for watching.